Alrighty, now you can see we're in the kitchen again. The next hack I'm going to be testing out is cleaning out the drains using baking soda, dish soap, and boiled water. Apparently this is supposed to help the drains. If they're smelly, it'll help clean it. My drain, I don't have any issues with smell per se, but I'd be interested to see what they look like when they're clean. I haven't tried this hack ever, so let's give it a shot. So I guess this hack is more important like if you have a garbage disposal, which I don't because I just live in an ordinary apartment. I don't live like in a condo or anything like that. So how this hack is supposed to work is we're supposed to put some baking soda into like just sprinkle it over our drains. If this goes well, I might as well go see how this works in my bathroom because my bathroom hasn't been cleaned in a while. I don't clean the bathroom that often. I don't need to. Like, it doesn't really get dirty that quickly. It used to get really messy. So that's why I came up with like an organization hack on how to keep everything organized. I'll show you that in our room when I do eventually clean the bathroom. I don't know if that's all gonna get done today. It's already like 2:09 in the afternoon and I've been at this since like 9 o'clock this morning. And Gordon gets off work at like 5, so I don't know how much of this is going to get done today, but I have been able to get a lot, as you've been able to see, which I'm really happy and, proud of myself for. So yeah, let's prep this sink with the baking soda and the dish soap, and then if this works, we'll go in my bathroom and do this to my bathroom drain. That is what my drain looks like before, and the other one looks the same. So let's see how this works out. So how this hack is supposed to work is we're supposed to sprinkle some baking soda in our drain. Yeah, it's a lot covered, and some of the other one. Then we take some of our trusty Dawn dish soap, sprinkle some of that on top, and now we wait for my boiling water. It's currently boiling. It should be done in a few minutes. So I'm still waiting for my water to finish boiling. I just thought to chat, woman to camera to audience. These cleaning hacks I'm doing right now, some of these hacks I haven't done before. The deep cleaning, like the vacuuming, I swept the floors off camera, cleaning the gaming chair mats and those things. I haven't cleaned the gaming chair mats since I got them, but I do generally like to do a good deep clean around this time of year because it's almost the end of the year. And then I do another deep clean in the spring for spring cleaning. They're totally different. They're not the same at all. In the spring, what I generally do is I take up the carpets, I roll them up, I sweep under them, I mop under them, and then I put the carpets all back. That means the living room, now the dining room, my bedroom, and now the spare room. The spare room, Gordon and I just got the carpet for that room like earlier this year. And we painted in there. We painted this whole apartment this year. We'll actually make a video on how we painted our apartment. That'll come up, I don't know when. We've been talking about it, a lot of video ideas to stay consistent. But yeah, generally we do like a deep clean of all the rooms in the house. His brother also lives with us, so his brother is generally responsible for cleaning his room and his bathroom. That's it. We clean everywhere else. I think that's generally pretty fair. Yeah. So I just lift up the carpets, clean up under them, I dust the whole room, clean everything. That's what I do in the springtime. And then also in the springtime, I move out my fridge and my stove and I clean the floors under them. Earlier this year around Thanksgiving, my oven actually broke. So when I got a new one, I took advantage of that time to actually clean under my oven, the floor. So in the springtime, when it comes time to do that, it won't be so bad as like probably under the fridge is. And that's probably when I'm going to also clean inside my fridge. So I'll bring you on a vlog around that if this video does really well and you like seeing cleaning videos just as much as I do. Yeah, that's how that'll go. So my water is almost done boiling, almost. It's going to be done in about a minute or so. And then we'll see how this hack works. All right, so my water just finished boiling. Off camera, I just added some more Dawn dish soap to my drains. And let's try this out. Oh, that was interesting. Did you guys see that? That's the reaction I got. I think that worked pretty well. All right, let's try the other one. And that's my drain after. Do you see it? Nice and clean. I don't know if you guys notice a difference. I definitely do.